Our world is full of incredible animals. Some are cute and friendly, while others are wild, powerful, and even dangerous. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the darkest jungles to wide-open grasslands, animals of all shapes and sizes live fascinating lives. Some hunt to survive, others live in groups and protect each other, and many play an important role in keeping nature balanced. In this video, we'll take you on a journey across the planet to discover the amazing world of wildlife. You'll see how different animals live, hunt, communicate, and raise their young. Welcome back to Wildlife Diaries. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with the mighty African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. These gentle giants roam the grasslands and forests of Africa, using their powerful trunks for feeding, communication, and even showing affection. Despite their size, they are highly intelligent and form strong family bonds. But sadly, they face threats from poaching and habitat loss. Moving to the dense jungles of South America, we find the elusive jaguar. As the third largest big cat in the world, jaguars are known for their incredible strength and swimming abilities. Unlike most cats, they love water and often hunt caimans, capybaras, and even anacondas in the rivers of the Amazon. Venturing into the Arctic, we encounter the polar bear, the largest land carnivore. These majestic predators rely on sea ice to hunt seals, their primary food source. However, with climate change causing ice to melt at alarming rates, polar bears are struggling to survive, making them a symbol of the urgent need for environmental conservation. Diving into the ocean, we meet the blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived. These gentle marine giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh nearly 200 tons. Despite their massive size, they feed on tiny krill, consuming several tons of them daily. Their deep, haunting calls can travel for miles underwater, making them one of the most mysterious creatures of the sea. In the Australian outback, we find the kangaroo, an iconic marsupial known for its powerful hind legs and unique way of carrying its young in a pouch. Kangaroos are built for speed and can travel vast distances with their strong leaps, helping them survive in the harsh, dry landscapes of Australia. Asia is home to the majestic Bengal tiger, the largest of all tiger species. These powerful hunters are built for stealth, using their striped coats to blend into tall grasses and forests. With fewer than 4,000 left in the wild, conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these incredible animals from poaching and habitat destruction. Back in the African savannah, we see the giraffe, the tallest animal on Earth. With their long necks and legs, they can reach high branches for food, making them perfectly adapted to life in the open plains. Despite their peaceful nature, giraffes are facing a silent decline due to habitat loss and illegal hunting. Heading into the rainforests of Southeast Asia, we find the orangutan, one of the most intelligent primates. These great apes share nearly 97% of their DNA with humans and are known for their problem-solving skills and tool use. However, deforestation caused by palm oil plantations is pushing them toward extinction. Our journey would not be complete without the honeybee, a tiny but crucial creature responsible for pollinating a large portion of the world's crops. Without bees, many fruits and vegetables we rely on would disappear, making them one of the most important species for life on Earth. Unfortunately, pollution, pesticides, and habitat destruction threaten their survival. One of the most widespread birds is the pigeon. Found in cities, parks, and rural areas, pigeons have an incredible ability to navigate long distances, which is why they were once used as messenger birds. Despite their urban presence, wild pigeons are excellent flyers and can reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour. In the insect world, the ant is one of the most common and successful creatures. Found on every continent except Antarctica, ants live in highly organized colonies with specialized roles for workers, soldiers, and queens. Their teamwork and ability to carry objects many times their body weight make them fascinating creatures. The rabbit is another widely recognized animal. Often seen in meadows, forests, and even as pets. Known for their long ears and powerful hind legs, rabbits are expert burrowers, creating underground tunnels for safety and shelter. Their rapid reproduction helps them thrive, despite being prey for many predators. Among the most common wild animals is the squirrel. Known for its bushy tail and energetic behavior, squirrels are excellent climbers, using their sharp claws and strong hind legs to leap from tree to tree. They play a crucial role in forest ecosystems by spreading seeds, which helps new trees grow. In the ocean, the goldfish is one of the most common aquatic pets. Originating from China, these small, colorful fish have been bred for centuries. While they are often kept in home aquariums, their wild relatives can grow much larger in ponds and lakes. One of the most recognizable farm animals is the chicken. These birds are found all over the world and provide eggs and meat for billions of people. With their unique ability to lay eggs almost daily, chickens are an essential part of agriculture and food production. And finally, we have the horse, an animal that has played a significant role in human history. Horses have been used for transportation, agriculture, and sports for thousands of years. With their speed, strength, and intelligence, they have formed a strong bond with humans and continue to be valued companions today. The meerkat is a small social mammal native to the arid regions of southern Africa, including the Kalahari and Namib deserts. These highly alert creatures live in tight-knit family groups called mobs or clans, working together for survival. Meerkats are excellent diggers, creating complex burrow systems that provide shelter from predators and extreme temperatures. They primarily feed on insects, small reptiles, and plants, using their sharp claws to forage. One of their most well-known behaviors is their habit of standing upright on their hind legs, often with one individual acting as a sentinel, keeping watch for threats like eagles and jackals. Despite their small size, Meerkats are fearless and will work together to defend their territory from intruders. One of the most iconic desert animals is the camel, often called the ship of the desert. Found in the Sahara, Arabian, and Gobi deserts, camels can survive for weeks without water, thanks to their humps, which store fat for energy. Their long legs keep their bodies away from the hot sand, and their thick eyelashes and nostrils help protect them from sandstorms. Another remarkable desert survivor is the sidewinder rattlesnake, found in the deserts of North America. This snake has a unique way of moving across the sand, lifting parts of its body to reduce contact with the hot surface. It is an ambush predator, lying in wait for lizards and small rodents to pass by before striking with its venomous bite. The peregrine falcon, one of the fastest birds in the world, is also found in desert regions. It uses its incredible speed, reaching over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, in a dive, to hunt birds and small mammals. Its sharp eyesight and powerful talons make it a top predator even in the harsh desert landscape. Wolves are social predators that hunt in packs and communicate through howls. The cassowary is a flightless bird with powerful legs and sharp claws, making it one of the most dangerous birds. A tiny primate with giant eyes, the tarsier is an expert jumper and nocturnal hunter. Crocodiles are stealthy reptiles with powerful jaws, ambushing prey near water. Turtles have protective shells and can live in oceans, rivers, or on land. Lions are strong, pride-living big cats, known for their majestic manes and loud roars. Jellyfish are ancient, gelatinous sea creatures that use tentacles to sting and capture prey. Dolphins are intelligent and social marine mammals known for their playful behavior and echolocation skills. Octopuses are highly intelligent cephalopods with the ability to change color and squeeze through tiny spaces. Manta rays are large, graceful ocean gliders that filter feed on plankton as they soar through the water. Sea lions are agile marine mammals that use their strong flippers to swim and walk on land. Moray eels are long, snake-like fish with sharp teeth, hiding in coral reefs to ambush prey. Macaws are vibrant, intelligent parrots found in tropical rainforests, known for their strong beaks and ability to mimic sounds. Bison are massive, shaggy-haired herbivores that roam grasslands in large herds, playing a crucial role in ecosystem balance. Sheep are domesticated mammals with thick, woolly coats, valued for their wool, milk, and meat. Peacocks are famous for their dazzling, iridescent tail feathers, which they fan out in stunning courtship displays. Chameleons are color-changing reptiles with long tongues and independently moving eyes, making them excellent hunters. Sun bears are the smallest bear species found in Southeast Asian forests, known for their love of honey and tree climbing skills. Penguins are flightless seabirds that thrive in cold climates, using their flippers to swim swiftly underwater. Rhinoceroses are large, thick-skinned herbivores with powerful horns, often found in African and Asian grassland. Monkeys are intelligent primates that live in forests and jungles, using their dexterous hands and tails for climbing. Flamingos are elegant wading birds with pink feathers, which get their color from the carotenoid-rich food they eat. Snails are slow-moving mollusks with spiral shells, found in diverse habitats, from gardens to deep oceans. Alpacas are domesticated, wool-producing mammals from South America, known for their soft fleece and gentle nature. Parrots are highly intelligent, colorful birds that can mimic sounds and are found in tropical regions worldwide. Spiders are arachnids with 8 legs that spin silk webs to trap insects for food. Cats are independent and agile mammals, loved as pets for their playful and affectionate nature. Dogs are loyal and social animals, often called man's best friend, due to their strong bond with humans. Frogs are amphibians that live in water and on land, using their powerful legs to jump great distances. Ducks are waterfowl with webbed feet, known for their quacking sounds and ability to swim effortlessly. Lemurs are unique primates found only in Madagascar, known for their large eyes, long tails, and strong social bonds. Badgers are burrowing mammals with powerful claws, famous for their toughness and ability to dig complex tunnels. Ostriches are the largest and fastest-running birds, capable of sprinting up to 60 kilometers per hour despite being flightless. Tapirs are large, herbivorous mammals with a flexible, trunk-like snout, helping them grab leaves and fruits in forests. Jackals are intelligent and adaptable wild canines that scavenge and hunt small prey in Africa and Asia. Capybaras are the world's largest rodents, social and semi-aquatic, often found near rivers in South America. Kookaburras are Australian birds known for their loud, laughing calls that echo through forests. Hornbills are tropical birds with large, curved beaks, playing a crucial role in spreading seeds in forests. Butterflies are delicate, colorful insects that undergo metamorphosis and play a vital role in pollination. In the heart of the African savannah, one animal stands out as a symbol of strength, power, and majesty: the lion. Known as the king of the savannah, the lion commands both respect and fear throughout its territory. Unlike most big cats, lions are highly social animals. They live in groups called prides, which typically consist of related females, their cubs, and one or more dominant males. This social structure allows lions to work together, protect one another, and raise their young in a cooperative environment. Lionesses, the females of the pride, are the primary hunters. They rely on teamwork and strategy to take down prey such as zebras, wildebeests, and buffalo. Their hunts usually take place at night or during the cooler hours of the day, when the heat of the savannah subsides. Despite their strength, hunting is not always successful, and sometimes it can take several attempts to bring down a single animal. The males, though larger and stronger, usually defend the pride's territory from rival lions and other predators like hyenas. Their deep roars, heard up to 8 kilometers away, are a clear warning to intruders. Cubs are born blind and helpless, relying completely on their mothers for survival. The entire pride takes part in raising the young, protecting them from threats, and teaching them the skills they'll need to survive. As they grow, young males eventually leave their birth pride to find one of their own, often facing brutal challenges along the way. Life in the wild is not easy for a lion, but those that survive carry the legacy of this incredible species, one that has ruled the savannah for centuries. Towering over the grasslands with grace and power, the African elephant is the largest land animal on Earth and one of the most iconic residents of the savannah. These gentle giants are known not only for their size, but for their intelligence, memory, and complex social lives. Elephants live in close-knit herds, led by an older female known as the matriarch. She guides the group using knowledge passed down through generations. Remembering watering holes, safe migration routes, and danger zones across the vast landscape. Elephants are herbivores, spending up to 16 hours a day feeding on grasses, leaves, bark, and fruit. Their massive tusks, made of ivory, help them dig for water during dry seasons or strip bark from trees for food. They also use their long trunks for drinking, feeding, and even showing affection to one another. Communication among elephants is fascinating. They use low-frequency sounds that travel for miles, allowing herds to stay in touch even when far apart. Despite their strength, elephants face many threats, especially from poaching and habitat loss. Yet in the wild, they play a crucial role in shaping the savanna ecosystem. By knocking down trees and clearing pathways, they create space for new plant growth and make it easier for other animals to move through the landscape. The savanna wouldn't be the same without them. The elephant is not just a symbol of power. It's a guardian of the wild, deeply woven into the balance of life in the African grasslands. Sleek, graceful, and built for speed, the cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth and one of the most iconic predators of the African savanna. With a slender body, long legs, and a flexible spine, the cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Faster than a sports car. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs rely on speed rather than strength or stealth to catch their prey, which usually includes gazelles, impalas, and other small antelope. Their hunts are often short, high-speed chases across the open plains, lasting less than a minute. Cheetahs are solitary animals, with males sometimes forming small groups called coalitions, usually made up of brothers. Females, on the other hand, live alone or with their cubs. A cheetah mother is fiercely protective, raising her cubs for over a year and teaching them vital hunting and survival skills. While they are skilled hunters, cheetahs are not strong fighters. They often lose their kills to more powerful predators like lions, hyenas, or leopards. Adapted for the open savanna, cheetahs have distinctive black tear lines under their eyes that help reduce glare from the sun and focus on prey at a distance. Despite their incredible abilities, cheetahs face many threats in the wild, including habitat loss, human conflict, and declining prey numbers. Yet, watching a cheetah sprint across the savanna remains one of the most breathtaking sights in nature, a true marvel of speed, agility, and survival. With their striking black and white stripes, zebras are among the most recognizable animals of the African savanna. But these unique patterns are more than just eye-catching. They serve important purposes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, like a fingerprint, helping them recognize one another. The stripes also act as camouflage, confusing predators when zebras move in herds, and they may even help deter biting insects. Zebras are highly social animals that live in groups called harems, led by a dominant male and made up of several females and their young. These herds often band together with other families, forming large groups for better protection on the open plains. Zebras are herbivores and spend most of their day grazing on grasses. Unlike many animals, they can survive on lower quality vegetation, making them an essential part of the ecosystem. As they graze, they clear away tough grasses, allowing new, more nutritious plants to grow. Benefiting other grazers like wildebeest and gazelles. They are also known for their incredible stamina and can migrate long distances in search of food and water, often traveling in massive groups across the savannah. While zebras are always alert, they rely heavily on their speed and group coordination to escape predators like lions, hyenas, and cheetahs. When threatened, they will run in a zigzag pattern to evade capture, and strong kicks from their powerful hind legs can be deadly. With their beauty, resilience, and vital role in the ecosystem, zebras are truly one of the E. Standing tall above the grasses and trees of the African savanna, the giraffe is the tallest land animal on Earth. With its long neck, towering legs, and spotted coat, the giraffe is not only unique in appearance, but also plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Their height allows them to feed on leaves, flowers, and fruits high up in trees, especially from acacia trees that few other animals can reach. Using their 45-centimeter-long tongue, giraffes skillfully strip leaves from thorny branches, helping to shape the landscape and promote healthy plant growth. Giraffes are generally peaceful and social animals, often seen in loose groups called towers. These groups can change frequently, as giraffes come and go based on food availability and companionship. Despite their calm nature, giraffes are not defenseless. Their powerful legs can deliver a deadly kick to predators like lions. Calves are especially vulnerable, and mothers are extremely protective, fiercely guarding their young against any threat. Communication among giraffes is subtle. They use body language, low humming sounds, and even infrasonic tones that humans can't hear. Watching a giraffe move is like watching slow-motion elegance. Each step is graceful, and their long necks sway gently with the rhythm of the savanna breeze. These gentle giants are not just icons of Africa. They are silent guardians of the treetops, playing a key role in maintaining the balance of the savanna ecosystem. Often misunderstood and unfairly labeled as scavengers, hyenas are actually skilled hunters and highly intelligent predators of the African savanna. Living in large matriarchal clans, spotted hyenas use teamwork and strategy to take down prey, often outcompeting lions. Their powerful jaws can crush bones with ease, allowing them to consume almost every part of an animal. With haunting laughs and eerie calls, hyenas are vital to the ecosystem, cleaning up carcasses and maintaining nature's balance. That it can seriously injure or even kill predators like lions or hyenas. Their wings may not lift them off the ground, but they aren't useless. Ostriches use their wings for balance when they run and to perform impressive mating displays. Males, especially during the breeding season, spread their wings wide, puff out their feathers, and dance to attract females. These birds usually live in groups, and during mating season, one dominant male will mate with a primary female, known as the major hen, as well as several others. All the females in the group lay their eggs in one large communal nest dug into the ground. The major hen's eggs are placed in the center of the nest to give them the best chance of survival. Ostrich eggs are enormous. Each one weighs about 1.5 kilograms and is equivalent to 2 dozen chicken eggs. They are the largest eggs laid by any animal alive today. Both the male and the major hen share the responsibility of incubating the eggs. The female sits on the nest during the day, blending in with the dry grass, while the dark-colored male takes over at night, camouflaging with the shadows. After around 42 days, the chicks hatch. They are already strong and alert from birth, and within days they can follow the adults and run at surprising speeds. In the wild, ostriches are omnivores. They feed mostly on plants, seeds, grasses, fruits, and flowers. But they won't hesitate to eat insects, small lizards, or even rodents when they get the chance. Since they don't have teeth, they swallow small pebbles and sand to help grind up food in their gizzard. Their eyesight is excellent and helps them spot predators from a great distance. If threatened, they usually prefer to run, but if cornered, they can deliver deadly kicks with their strong legs and sharp claws. There's a common myth that ostriches bury their heads in the sand to hide when they're scared. That's not true. What they actually do is lower their necks and bodies to the ground to blend in with their surroundings, which can make it look from far away like their heads are buried. Over time, this behavior led to the myth, but in reality, ostriches are very aware of what's happening around them. Their large eyes, among the biggest of any land animal, give them a wide field of vision, making it hard for predators to sneak up on them. Ostriches have a unique way of regulating their body temperature, which is especially important in the hot, arid environments they call home. They can raise and lower their wings to expose or cover their bare skin, helping to either trap heat or cool down. Their long necks and legs also help with heat dissipation, giving them an advantage in extreme climates. Interestingly, ostriches don't have a crop, the food storage pouch found in many other birds. Instead, their food passes quickly into a very muscular gizzard that does most of the grinding. Socially, ostriches can be quite vocal. They produce a range of sounds including hisses, low booms, and even roars during mating season. The booming call of a male ostrich can be heard from several kilometers away and is often compared to the sound of a lion's roar. In some regions, ostriches form mixed groups with other animals like zebras or antelope, benefiting from shared alertness to predators. Their presence in ecosystems is important too, as they help control insect populations and spread plant seeds through their droppings, contributing to the balance of their habitat. Ostriches have also had a long relationship with humans. In ancient civilizations like Egypt, their feathers were symbols of purity and truth. Today, ostrich farming is common in parts of the world, especially in South Africa. They're raised for their lean, healthy meat, their decorative feathers, and their durable leather, which is often used in high-end fashion. Despite being domesticated in some areas, wild ostriches are still thriving in their natural habitats. Strong, solitary, and ancient in appearance, the rhinoceros is one of the most powerful animals roaming the African savanna. With its thick, armor-like skin and a prominent horn, or two, on its snout, the rhino is instantly recognizable. There are two species found in Africa: the white rhino, which is larger and more social, and the black rhino, which is smaller, more solitary, and known for its aggressive behavior. Despite their bulk, rhinos can run surprisingly fast, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour when threatened. Rhinos are herbivores, spending much of their day grazing on grasses, shrubs, and small plants. Their feeding habits help shape the vegetation of the savanna, maintaining open grasslands for other species. They rely heavily on their strong sense of smell and hearing, as their eyesight is relatively poor. Rhinos often wallow in mud to cool down and protect their skin from parasites and the harsh sun. Sadly, rhinos are among the most endangered animals in Africa due to illegal poaching for their horns and habitat loss. Conservation efforts, including protected reserves and anti-poaching patrols, have become essential to their survival. Despite the challenges, these majestic animals continue to inspire awe and admiration. As one of the savanna's oldest and most iconic creatures, the rhinoceros is not just a symbol of strength, but also a reminder of the urgent need to protect our planet's wildlife. Graceful, alert, and lightning fast, the gazelle is one of the most iconic and agile animals of the African savanna. With slender bodies, long legs, and striking curved horns, gazelles are built for speed and survival. These elegant herbivores are constantly on the move, grazing on grasses and shrubs, and always keeping a watchful eye for predators. Their excellent eyesight and quick reflexes help them detect danger early. And when threatened, they can leap and sprint in bursts of up to 90 kilometers per hour to escape. Gazelles are social animals and typically live in herds, which provides better protection against predators like cheetahs, lions, and wild dogs. Within the herd, they communicate using a combination of body language, snorts, and foot stamping. One of their most fascinating behaviors is stalking, a high, stiff-legged bounce into the air. This display shows off their fitness and agility, possibly deterring predators from giving chase. Despite their delicate appearance, gazelles are highly adaptable. Many species can survive on minimal water, getting most of their moisture from the plants they eat, a crucial trait in the dry savanna environment. Their presence also supports the ecosystem by serving as prey for large carnivores, helping maintain the balance of the food chain. With their beauty, alertness, and vital role in the ecosystem, gazelles are a true symbol of the wild heart of the savanna. Let's start with one of the most majestic creatures of the ocean, the blue whale. As the largest animal to have ever lived, the blue whale can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons. Despite its massive size, it feeds on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill, consuming several tons of them each day. Blue whales communicate using low-frequency sounds that can travel hundreds of miles underwater. Another incredible ocean giant is the great shark, one of the most well-known predators of the sea. With its powerful jaws, sharp teeth, and keen sense of smell, the great white is built for hunting. It can detect a single drop of blood in the water from miles away. Despite their fearsome reputation, sharks play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine life by keeping populations of other species in check. Moving to the coral reefs, we find some of the most colorful and diverse marine creatures, such as clownfish and sea anemones. Clownfish have a special symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, living among their stinging tentacles for protection. In return, the clownfish help keep the anemones clean and provide them with nutrients. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because they support an incredible variety of marine life. However, they are under threat due to climate change and pollution. Among the most intelligent marine animals are dolphins and octopuses. Dolphins are highly social animals that use complex communication, echolocation, and teamwork to hunt for fish. They have been observed playing, solving problems, and even helping injured pod members. Octopuses, on the other hand, are masters of disguise. They can change their color, texture, and shape to blend into their surroundings, making them excellent at avoiding predators. Some species, like the mimic octopus, can imitate the appearance of other animals, such as lionfish and sea snakes. Another fascinating marine animal is the sea turtle. These ancient reptiles have been swimming in the ocean for over 100 million years. Sea turtles travel thousands of miles across the ocean, returning to the same beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. Sadly, they face threats from plastic pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction. The manta ray, one of the most graceful creatures in the ocean. With a wingspan that can reach up to 29 feet, manta rays glide effortlessly through the water, using their cephalic fins to funnel plankton into their mouths. Unlike stingrays, manta rays lack a venomous barb, making them completely harmless to humans. They are highly intelligent and have been observed recognizing themselves in mirrors, a rare ability in the animal kingdom. Another intriguing marine species is the nudibranch, a type of sea slug that comes in an array of brilliant colors and patterns. These soft-bodied mollusks have a fascinating defense mechanism. They absorb toxins or stinging cells from their prey, such as jellyfish or sponges, and store them in their bodies for protection. Some species even produce their own toxins, making them unappetizing to predators. Moving on to another fascinating species, the Japanese spider crab is the largest arthropod in the world, with a leg span that can stretch over 12 feet. Found in the deep waters off Japan, these crabs can live up to 100 years. Despite their intimidating size, they are scavengers, feeding on dead marine animals and detritus on the ocean floor. The starfish, or sea star, a well-known inhabitant of the ocean floor. Starfish are not actually fish. They are echinoderms, related to sea urchins and sand dollars. These incredible creatures have the ability to regenerate lost limbs, meaning that if a predator bites off one of their arms, they can grow it back over time. Some species can even regenerate an entire new body from just one severed arm. Instead of blood, starfish use seawater to circulate nutrients throughout their bodies, making them uniquely adapted to ocean life. Another iconic ocean animal is the jellyfish, which has been drifting through the seas for over 500 million years. These ancient creatures lack a brain, heart, or bones, yet they are highly efficient predators. They use their tentacles, which contain specialized stinging cells called nematocysts, to capture and immobilize prey. Some jellyfish species, like the moon jelly, have mild stings, while others, like the box jellyfish, have venom powerful enough to be fatal to humans. Despite their simple body structure, Jellyfish play an important role in marine food chains, providing nourishment for turtles and other ocean predators. One of the most beloved marine mammals is the sea lion. Often confused with seals, sea lions are more agile on land because they have external ear flaps and strong front flippers that allow them to walk on all fours. They are highly social animals, often seen resting in large groups on rocky shores. Sea lions are also excellent swimmers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, and they use their whiskers to detect vibrations in the water when hunting for fish and squid. The pufferfish is famous for its unique defense mechanism. When threatened, it inflates its body by swallowing water, making itself appear much larger and harder to eat. Some species also produce a potent toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is deadly to predators and even humans. Despite their seemingly clumsy appearance, pufferfish are highly intelligent and have been observed using problem-solving skills to find food and escape danger. Finally, the moray eel is a common predator found in coral reefs and rocky crevices. Unlike most fish, moray eels lack scales and have thick, mucus-covered skin that protects them from infections. They are known for their sharp teeth and powerful jaws, which help them capture fish, octopuses, and crustaceans. Moray eels have a second set of jaws, called pharyngeal jaws, which extend forward to help pull prey deeper into their mouths, an adaptation rarely seen in other fish. Angelfish and butterfly fish are two of the most stunning reef dwellers, each with unique traits that help them thrive in the ocean. Angelfish, from the Pomacanthidae family, are territorial and known for their vibrant colors, with some species, like the emperor angelfish, changing patterns as they mature. They feed on sponges, algae, and small invertebrates, helping maintain reef balance. Butterfly fish, from the Cheetah family, are smaller, with thin, disc-shaped bodies that let them navigate coral crevices. They feed on coral polyps and plankton, and often have false eye spots near their tails to confuse predators. Unlike angelfish, many butterfly fish form lifelong pairs, adding to their graceful presence in coral reefs. The ocean is a world of breathtaking beauty, an endless expanse of blue stretching beyond the horizon, holding secrets beneath its shimmering surface. As the waves dance under the golden sunlight, the water reflects countless shades of turquoise, sapphire, and emerald, ever changing with the sky above. Beneath the surface lies a realm of wonder, where light filters down through the depths, illuminating a landscape teeming with life. Coral reefs bloom like underwater gardens, their vibrant colors swaying with the gentle currents, home to creatures that weave through the maze of coral branches in a delicate, mesmerizing ballet. The deeper one goes, the more mysterious the ocean becomes, transitioning from the lively, sunlit shallows to the quiet serenity of the deep, where bioluminescent glows flicker like stars in the darkness. The rhythm of the ocean is a song of nature, constant yet ever-changing. Waves rise and fall in a soothing melody, tides move in harmony with the moon, and beneath it all, unseen currents carry life from one corner of the ocean to another. Each drop of water holds countless microscopic forms, the very foundation of marine ecosystems, sustaining an intricate web of life. The vastness of the ocean is humbling, reminding us of the delicate balance that exists within its depths. It is a place of contrast, both gentle and powerful, serene yet full of energy, peaceful but holding the force to shape landscapes and weather patterns. Beyond its beauty, the ocean is a source of life, a giver of oxygen, a regulator of climate, and a home to millions of species, many still undiscovered. Its mysteries inspire explorers, artists, and dreamers, drawing people to its shores in search of tranquility, adventure, and inspiration. Whether gazing at the endless waves, diving into its hidden world, or simply listening to the rhythmic crash of the tide, the ocean's presence is both calming and awe-inspiring. It is a reminder of nature's artistry, a force that connects all living things, and a world worth protecting for generations to come. Now, in this video, we discussed about animals in details. Dolphins are among the most intelligent and playful creatures of the ocean, known for their friendly nature and incredible agility. These marine mammals belong to the cetacean family and can be found in oceans and seas around the world, from warm tropical waters to cooler coastal regions. With their sleek, streamlined bodies and powerful tails, dolphins are built for speed, often reaching up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, as they glide effortlessly through the water. They are highly social animals, living in groups called pods, where they communicate using a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body movements. One of the most remarkable traits of dolphins is their intelligence. They have large brains in proportion to their body size and display problem-solving skills, self-awareness, and even emotions. They use echolocation, a sonar-like ability, to navigate and hunt, sending out sound waves that bounce off objects and return as echoes, helping them locate food and avoid obstacles. Dolphins are also known for their playful behavior, often seen riding waves, leaping into the air, or interacting with boats and humans. Manta rays are one of the most graceful and majestic creatures of the ocean, gliding effortlessly through the water with their enormous wing-like fins. These gentle giants belong to the mobulid ray family and are among the largest rays in the world, with some reaching a wingspan of up to 29 feet, 8.8 meters. Unlike stingrays, manta rays have no venomous barb, making them completely harmless to humans. They are known for their intelligence and curiosity, often approaching divers and even recognizing individual humans over time. Manta rays primarily feed on plankton, using their wide, open mouths to filter tiny organisms from the water as they swim. They are commonly found in tropical and subtropical waters, often near coral reefs, or in open ocean currents where plankton is abundant. These magnificent creatures are also known for their incredible acrobatics, sometimes leaping out of the water in spectacular displays, though the exact reason for this behavior is still debated. Sea lions are playful, intelligent marine mammals known for their agility in the water and social nature on land. They belong to the Otariidae family, which includes eared seals, and are found along coastlines in the Pacific Ocean, from North and South America to Australia and Japan. Unlike true seals, sea lions have external ear flaps and large, powerful front flippers that allow them to walk on land, making them more mobile compared to their seal relatives. In the water, they are incredibly fast and agile, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, as they hunt for fish, squid, and other small marine creatures. Sea lions are highly social animals living in large groups called colonies. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, from barks and growls to grunts and roars. Jellyfish are some of the most fascinating and mysterious creatures in the ocean. drifting gracefully through the water with their translucent, bell-shaped bodies. They have existed for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living species on Earth. Unlike fish, jellyfish have no bones, heart, or brain. Instead, they rely on a simple nerve net to sense their surroundings and control their movements. They move primarily by pulsing their bells, but they are also carried by ocean currents, making them true wanderers of the sea. Jellyfish come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, from tiny, nearly invisible species to massive ones with tentacles stretching over 100 feet, 30 meters. Their tentacles are lined with stinging cells called nematocysts, which release venom to stun or kill prey like small fish and plankton. Whales are the largest creatures on Earth, ruling the ocean with their massive size, intelligence, and grace. These majestic marine mammals belong to the cetacean family, which includes both baleen whales and toothed whales. They are found in oceans all over the world, from icy polar waters to warm tropical seas. Despite their enormous size, whales move with incredible elegance, gliding through the water with slow, powerful strokes of their massive tails, known as flukes. Baleen whales, such as the blue whale, the largest animal ever to exist, have comb-like baleen plates instead of teeth, which they use to filter tiny plankton and krill from the water. Toothed whales, like sperm whales and orcas, hunt larger prey, including fish, squid, and even other marine mammals. Whales are also known for their complex communication, using a series of clicks, whistles, and songs that can travel for miles underwater. The haunting, melodic songs of humpback whales are particularly famous and are believed to play a role in mating and social bonding.